Hi, Dave McGavin here from Precision Seeding Solutions. Today I'd like to show you the MeterMax Ultra test stand from Precision Planting and show you how we can test your meters to optimise singulation. What we've got here is a test stand. It's able of taking all sorts of meters. We're running the 2020 seed sense monitor on it. This is going to give us singulation data. It's going to give us our average population, set population, the singulation, the skips and the doubles that we're going to get. It's also going to tell us, it's going to set the vacuum in there, the speed we want to travel, and it's going to tell us our seed release. This is how good the seeds are delivered down the tube. We're going to test cotton. So first of all, I'm going to run a standard John Deere meter here with a 60 cell cotton disc in it. This is a brand new meter, brand new seals. Everything's in tip-top condition with it. Now I want to show you the Precision Planting ESET modification. As you can see here, the discs are a little bit different. The John Deere disc, we run a cell disc in it. It's a lot more seed sensitive versus the ESET disc, which is a flat disc with a round hole. It's also offset, to allow for good seed release down the centre of the tube, versus the John Deere, which is, it's allowing for that seed to roll out of that cavity, fall down the centre of the seed tube. But a lot of time this is causing ricochet. Alright, I'll go ahead and stick the John Deere meter on and we'll see how we go. We're going to do a 1,000 seed test, so after we've done that 1,000 seed test, it's going to give us an overall singulation, but on the way through you're going to see the skips and the doubles counting up there. Righto, so I've gone ahead and loaded up the test stand with John Deere vac meter, John Deere 60 cell cotton disc in there. You can see over here, look at our speed set at 8.2 k's, vacuum at 8 inches, which is pretty standard. Target population is 130,000, so we're getting a few seeds through there. And we're going to do a 1,000 seed test here, so we'll go ahead and start it up, see what happens. Down the bottom here we can see all the skips and doubles coming out there. Not too many skips there actually, just a lot of doubles. So those red ones going past, they're the doubles. The yellow are misplaced seed. They're one within 4 inches of the other. The green's all good. I'll change that to the bottom seed sensor. Then hit start here and you're going to start to see the doubles counting up here. On the left there you can see our average population. We're supposed to be around 130, so we're hitting 135,000 there. About halfway through the test now. Righto. Switching off. So that's done our 1,000 seed test. Come up with 46 multiples out of 1,000, so that's giving us an average of 95.4%. Can reduce them a little bit, those multiples, by dropping the vacuum off, but then we start to get a few skips. Basically I've just set it there. When I ask growers what they set their vacuum at, they normally say about half on the gauge, or if they want to be a bit more specific, some guys say 8 inches, and that 8 k's is probably a good speed to travel at. It's not too excessive. That's why I've run it at this. Now I'm going to go ahead, swap this for ESETs. I'm not going to change the speed, not going to change the population. I'm going to give it some more vacuum because that's how we like to run our ESETs. As you can see here, You suck a lot more doubles out of the seed pool, but then we've got this 5-load singulator, and it's going to knock the doubles off as they come around before they get dropped down here into the chute. Righto. Righto, we're going to run this John Deere meter with the ESET modification through now. Loaded up our cottonseed here. Speed set the same, 8.2 Ks. Vacuum's cranked right up, 19 pound vacuum there. And yeah, same population over here. We're going to see what it does. It's going to be a bit noisier because we've got our seed pick in there, making sure all those seed holes are cleared every time it goes around. Bottom here, run the knot, run the lot cleaner down the bottom, lot more green there, a lot less misplaced seed. We're going to go over here and hit our start button and we're going to see what it's running like. One thing you're probably going to notice up the top, have a look at our population, being on 130,000, so the last test we ran 5,000 over, so that's just wasted seed. Up to 800 now, 900, one skip. Give us over here 99.9. Righto, we'll hit the start button again, we'll run another test tube. See how that's travelling. Got 2 skips there right off the bat, right at the start. Seed release is pretty nice. The lower that number the better there, the lower that percentage. Run 99.7 that time. Let's hit it one more time and see what happens. Hopefully we've got enough seed left in there to do the last test. I'll shut it down. Righto, so that last test run through at 99.6. That's 4 out of 1,000 seeds that have been skipped there. See the test results over here from the last 4 tests. We run 99.6, 99.7, 99.9, 99.8, and a couple of 99.6s before that. See back here we can find this test on the John Deere. There they are there, up above. 99.5.4, sorry, 95.4, 95, 96.1. See the amount of skips there. And the seed release on the right hand side. It's a lot nicer on the John Deere. A lot nicer on the John Deere with the ESET modification. And up the top here on the standard John Deere, up and around that 16%. Very good. Alright, well, hope that gives you a good idea how they run. They run pretty nice. No trick to it. Just crank up the vacuum and let them go.